तो हम निकल रहे हैं ड्रेकन्सबर्ग अभी, और ये देखो चाय पीने के लिए रुके हैं ऑन द वे। बढ़िया सी चाय है फ्रॉम लिटिल गुजरात, गुनम स्ट्रीट। पूरा एड्रेस पता नहीं, कमेंट्स में लिख दूंगा।
एंड व्हाट
43 गुनम स्ट्रीट।
ओके।
और ये देखो, ये है हमारी पॉटी चल रही है यहाँ पे, और ये बढ़िया सा व्यू, चाय विथ अ व्यू। ए चलो चलो चलो, लेट होगा, मेन बाद में फोटोग्राफी रह जाएगी।
तुम चूहे वाली ब्रेड खा लो पहले, फिर चलते हैं।
वो तो खा ली, सेस्को।
अब चूहा खाओ।
सेस्को ब्रेड। Okay guys, so finally after like 2.5 hours journey, we are here at the Shiva statue, Drakensberg, and let's see what is there, what kind of statue. I got to know like it is owned by Afrikaans men here in South Africa. We don't know like if they charge or something, but anyway we'll just go in and
अभी पता चले ना जाएगा।
हाँ पता चले ना जाएगा।
वो देखो बैठे हैं हमारे बोलेगा। Hi, how are you?
Namaste, how are you?
Sorry, if you want people in the register, please.
क्या घूम रहा है?
अरे वो लंबी सी सी चिपकली, चिपकली।
अच्छा,
वाइल्ड चिपकली।
वाइल्ड चिपकली।
तो हाउस लिजर्ड और वाइल्ड लिजर्ड।
इसने चीटिंग किया।
ये ना गायब हो रहा, अब ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं। अच्छे से क्लिक करो।
Guys, so here at Drakensberg, this is the Hanuman Murti. That is the Shiva Murti, and there is also Shiva Lingam, and then this is the view in the background. The temperature is around like 24 degrees Celsius, but I think it's an experience, especially like when you get to see the Hindu deities and being celebrated in the countries other than India. So I think once in a time experience, it is good. So after this we'll be also going for chocolate tasting and then wine tasting and maybe also the canopy tour. So keep it a surprise, like what we'll be doing in canopy tour. So stay tuned. This is the view, guys. And they also have washroom for gents and ladies over here. That is one good thing.
हमारा फेस दिखने ना दिखे डजंट मैटर, कुछ फोटो ऐसी होती है, ये वही फोटो में से बस। वेरी गुड।
बड़ा मच्छी लगी ना?
भडंग,
अच्छी है ना?
क्या है भडंग?
भडंग, नॉट भडम.
वो मालवणी भडम.
क्या भड़ंग बोलते हैं उसको।
Guys, you won't be able to see this, but there are lot many deers over here, impalas, even the wild beast. Not the YouTuber wild beast, but
Yeah, it's wild beast only.
yeah.
बैग में थी।
Here we are at the chocolate tasting place. So it's called Drakensberg Chocolate Memories, and I think this is the machine where they make the chocolate and coffee. It's a roaster basically, and this is the coffee.
इसमें आता है। हाँ।
This is the fresh coffee beans that they have kept here,
शुगर प्लास्टिक
and here you can see.
अंदर प्लास्टिक होता है, ऐसा कवर होता है।
And I think the tasting is inside.
Can we start from the dark? You guys prefer milky?
From dark chocolate.
Nice. I like the sound of that. This is 70% dark. It's this first one now.
This one.
Yes, 70% dark. There we go. Thank you. Trying the 70, guys. Thank you.
So it's 70% chocolate and rest is milk solids and
No, sir. 70% of cocoa.
cocoa, and then what is the rest 30%?
It's not about that. It's about the amount of cocoa.
Yeah, for sure.
The other amounts, the other ingredients, is
Okay.
not measured.
Okay.
Yes, there's a measure for it, but it's not like the one that should be.
Yes,
out
I
there.
understand, yeah.
Yes, it's the cocoa that's more important.
Yes.
And now, guys, you're gonna try the 50% dark. It's 50% of cocoa in this one. They both don't have milk, so they're also vegan chocolates.
Okay.
The 50% is in the second place for best-selling chocolates.
Okay.
Yes, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We tried the 50. Now we're gonna skip our best-selling chocolate for last. We're gonna try the ruby. It's different. It's made with the red Brazilian cocoa bean. It takes the color from its cocoa bean and the fruity aftertaste in it as well.
Okay.
It's a milk chocolate of a different colored cocoa bean. Yes. There we go. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Okay guys, we tried the ruby. Now we're gonna try the white chocolates.
I like this one.
You like the ruby? Yeah, it's something different. It's lovely.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, sir. Let's get another one for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, we're getting the white one now. We're getting the white one. Thank you.
White chocolate.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We all got the white one, right? Okay, guys, we must make sure the white one is completely finished because now we're gonna have the best-selling chocolates. The milk.
Okay.
Yes, so you guys know why it's the best-selling chocolates.
Mm-hmm.
You guys will be telling me why it's the best-selling chocolates. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you're not gonna run away after the milk. It's the best-selling chocolates.
Okay.
Thank you.
Locally, right?
Behind those glasses is our chocolate factory.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ये milk.
Here we are at the wine tasting and the grape yard. So this is the grape plantation. This is Dr. Neeraj. And this is where we'll be tasting wine. So yeah, let's see.
So 1996 that got 10 साल लगे और टू डिसीजन 2007 फर्स्ट well first seller master seller first of the line that is the
हाँ नहीं तो बोल देता है ना.
सबसे सस्ती 126 की है.
So we went inside and so none of us tasted the wine because we are looking forward for the adventurous activity thingy in Drakensberg. So I don't see a point of getting drunk on the wine yet. So the cost was around like 100 rand for self-tasting, so which includes like 4 different wines, and the cheapest wine was like 240 rand or something, and the most expensive went to like 1000 rand or so. So yeah, these are the grape wines or climbers. So they have been pruned right now. That is the process of removal of all the leaves so that fresh leaves come for the next season. So it looks all dry but still nice.
Yeah, and one more thing, I think you forgot to mention that some of the wines, they are not for sale.
Yeah.
So they are only for gold customers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there are some of the customers who are like regular visitors and maybe who are VIPs. So those wines are reserved only for them. So they also have, I guess, they ferment the wine here, right?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. So it's not basically for people who get drunk, but who drink.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Chennai they are using the deep irrigation technology.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the
See the pipes, and after that for maintaining the proper branching and all this thing, they have put these wires so that these branches can expand
and it will expand only vertically. It won't go that side.
yeah,
right.
and after that, the whatever the this weight of the grapes will be here that cannot be dropped.
Yeah,
these
yeah,
branches.
yeah.
So this is a very good technique.
And after Naveen drank wine, now he will attain nirvana. So how was